Let's temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. To start, you can up-to-date your Facebook application. Then you can open your Facebook application like this. After opening, tap the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Then open Settings like this. Then select the very first one, Account Center. Now select the last option, Manage Account. Under Account Center, here you have to select Facebook and tap the Manage next to that. Here see the second option, Deactivation or Deletion. Now you can see the Deactivate account is selected by default. You don't have to select, so just tap the Continue button to go forward. Then you will get this notice, both Facebook and Messenger account will be deactivated. So just tap the Continue to go forward. Now to verify yourself, you have to re-enter your password. After entering, tap the Continue. Then it asks you to select a reason. Here I will select the very first one. This is temporarily, I will be back. After that, on the next page, scroll down, then tap 7 days, then select Don't Reactivate Automatically. Otherwise, it will be reactivated within next 7 days. So select Don't Reactivate Automatically and tap Done and go forward. Then just tap Deactivate My Account. Then your Facebook and Messenger account will be deactivated as well as you will be logged out from your account. Don't try to log back in. Once you log back in, it will reactivate automatically. Instead of deactivating, if you want to permanently delete it, click this end screen video and come on over. See you in the next one. Later!